Good to see you. Good to see you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, sir. I'm good. Good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
आपको देखकर और खुशी हुई सर और अच्छा लगा सर.
Actually, I'm down with viral.
I understand. So weather is that only. अभी change हो रहा है weather actually.
Yeah.
I understand, sir. I respect that. I respect that. सर हमारा छोटा सा कंसर्न था. हमारे साथ में दया मैम है. सो दया मैम वांट टू आस्क फ्यू क्वेश्चंस जिससे कि थोड़ा सा हमको भी एक आपका रिव्यू मिल जाएगा, थोड़ा टाइम आपसे बात करने के लिए मिल जाएगा, और जो हमारे कस्टमर्स होते हैं उनको भी थोड़ा हेल्प आउट हो जाता है, बिकॉज उनको थोड़ा फीडबैक चाहिए होता है, वो पूछना चाहते हैं कुछ, अपने क्वेश्चन बात करना चाहते हैं. जो एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर है, जैसे आपने फ्रेंचाइजी ली है, आपको उसका पे आउट आ रहा है, आपको कैसे किया, थोड़ा सा क्यूरियोसिटी होती है. तो देयर मैम आप एक बार सर से डिस्कस कर लीजिए, पूछ लीजिए जो आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं. आई एम आल्सो हियर. एंड सर, हाउ इज एवरीथिंग? बाकी सब कैसे चल रहा है घर में?
Going on well.
वेरी गुड सर, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
So this Levi's franchise at Joy Street is going on. It is now, I think, third year.
Yes, third year, sir. Third year, correct. This is third year.
So normally I'm sending them the invoice on third, and I think maximum by 10th or 11th they release the payment.
Right, correct, sir. Correct. So मैम फॉर सर, फॉर दैट रिलेटेड दया मैम कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपसे एक बार कंफर्म कर लीजिए. दया आप पूछ सकते हैं सर से. हमारे साथ में रिटायर्ड कर्नल मेहता सर है. इन्होंने सर को मैंने लिवाइस की फ्रेंचाइजी कराई थी गुड़गांव में, AIPL जॉय स्ट्रीट लोकेशन है. ओवर टू यू दया मैम.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम.
जी सर, मेरा आपसे एक पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि वरुण सर के साथ जैसे आपने वर्क किया है, तो आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा सर के साथ?
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, बिकॉज इन फैक्ट आई थिंक दैट टाइम he got this deal done with SSIAPL, this the Levi's franchise at Joy Street, Gurgaon. So I had a good experience because the things were worked in my favor. Whatever I wanted a minimum guarantee and other things. So things worked out well, and it is still going on now. I think the third year is going on. So I am quite happy with my investment with them.
Sir, I just introduce you, sir. We have Raghav ji. Raghav ji is also looking for a Levi's opportunity, and I am assisting them. मेरा उनसे मीटिंग भी हुआ है, डिस्कशन भी हुआ है. तो सर का कहना ये था कि मैं उनसे मिलना चाहता हूँ जिनको 2-3 साल हो गए हैं फ्रेंचाइजी लिए हुए. तो राघव जी हमारे साथ ज्वाइन हुए. राघव जी, आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं, आप अपना माइक ओपन कर सकते हैं. हमारे साथ में राघव जी हमारे साथ में रिटायर्ड कर्नल मेहता जी हैं. मेहता जी को मैंने लिवाइस का फ्रेंचाइजी कराया था. बाकी आप जो पूछना चाहते हैं सर से पूछ सकते हैं. सर लाइव है हमारे साथ में.
ओके, नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार जी. नमस्कार.
मैं राघव का फादर बोल रहा था, संजीव गर्ग जी.
हाँ जी
सर, मैं इधर दिल्ली पंजाबी बाग रहता हूँ.
ओके.
आप कहाँ स्टे करते हैं?
गुड़गांव में हूँ, सेक्टर 56 में.
ओके, शायद आपने
वरुण के साथ
सॉरी, वरुण जी के साथ. सॉरी.
हाँ जी
सर, नाइस मीटिंग विद यू. कैसा, मतलब कितने साल हो गए आपको रन करते हुए?
I think it's going on for it's almost 3 years now, less than 3 years, because I have completed 2 years and other 5 is gone 2.5 years now.
Oh, any hurdle from company side, or are you happy with the running of the business?
See, I am happy in the sense whatever they signed with me, they are honoring it.
Okay,
and
very good.
they I'm sending them the invoice on 3rd, and by 10th or 11th,
Yeah,
they release the payment. So far, I am not having any problem. The money is being credited on time.
on time.
1 or 2 days, sometime holidays or something, it is okay. But then, so in fact, I got 2 more franchise with them at Sukhia and Behrampur, Odisha.
Okay.
So that also I have completed 2 years. That we have taken through one of our company, where my wife and myself, we are partner in that company.
Okay.
So that also has completed 2 years. But the
Okay.
terms and conditions which were signed for Gurgaon was different,
Okay.
and the terms and conditions for this Behrampur and Tinsukia,
Yeah.
these are different because there I got 5-year contract
Okay.
at Odisha and Assam.
Right.
Gurgaon it is for 9 years, and the terms and conditions are different, and this was agreed upon between both the company and me. That's why we signed it.
From Varun side, there is nothing to hide it. Everything
No,
is very transparent.
in fact, Varun was the person who facilitated this first deal.
Okay. Right.
Second deal, they approached me directly when I was already working with them, and they offered me if I am interested for Assam and Odisha.
Okay.
So, frankly, I have not seen both the stores.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Only I have seen the photographs and the persons who are working there. I got their phone number and all. They are sending me DSR daily sale report every day.
Okay.
From Tinsukia also and from Behrampur also.
Okay.
At the month end, one of their SSAPL executive sent me the consolidated sale of both the stores.
Okay.
So there my terms and condition is I am getting 1% of the sale and the fixed portion.
Okay.
So to initiate the invoice, I require how much sale is there, because that with fixed portion I am getting 1% of the sale also.
Irrespective of fixed amount also.
Yes, it's fixed. The fixed amount is also it is 2 ways. One is the fixed amount they are giving. Second is the capex amount I have distributed into 60, and monthly I am getting the installment of that.
Okay.
Suppose the capex amount was 100 rupees.
Okay.
So they divided it by 60, and it is comes around 1 rupee 50, 1 rupee 40 paisa. So that is coming to me directly. That is, they have shown it as what you call security without interest. And every month, I think one store, the amount is around 49,000, and the second store is around 73,000. So that is fixed amount which they have to return to me for 60 months. So now it's more than 2 years plus. Next is the fixed portion, whatever it has been decided to they are giving. Then plus 1% of the sale.
Okay. Okay.
That is for the Odisha and Assam. But Gurgaon, it is different.
It is different. Expenditure.
Gurgaon is there for 9 years, and it is almost I am getting almost fixed amount. There is no sale this thing, but then my profit is reducing every year because of my investment is also coming back to me. Suppose I started with 1,10,000 profit thing first month. Now it might become 1,02,000 because even my capex investment they again divided into 60. So every month they are returning me that installment. So there is no tax on this amount, because this is in Gurgaon I am claiming it in depreciation.
Okay.
But they are giving me every month. So there is
Maybe
advantage.
I clear in this point. Sir, Raghav, we have models in that. One is the franchisee operated. You take the franchisee, you run the franchisee. As Raghav is a young boy, he's a young person, so he can run the store. But Mehta sir wants to be
No, I am not running at all.
franchisee owned company operator. So he is as a partner, he is as an investor, he is enjoying his. So the models are something different.
Models are different.
See, I'm not going to any store in Gurgaon. A
Okay.
store I have not visited for last 8-9 months.
Mhm.
Yes, good of them. When I go, they give me a good cup of tea and they give me a lot of respect.
That's nice.
Otherwise, in the last 8 months, I have not gone there. Earlier, I used to go for seeing movie and all in that mall. So I used to visit them.
Mm.
So they used to offer a cup of tea or this thing. But there was no role in running the thing.
Okay.
And I am quite happy because I am a retired person, almost my
Hmm.
74 years running.
Oh,
So I am
right.
not there to go and work.
Right.
This.
Right.
So
Right.
as it is, I am working with American company as a consultant.
Hmm.
So that is not uh, taking much of my time because at the age of 74, I am working. It is God bliss. I can say the God
Right.
blessing is there.
Sure. Sure. Right. Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you.
So
I have a point in that.
you're going to run it yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
FOFO
yes.
model, franchisee on franchisee of it.
Then you are going to run yourself.
Right. We are interested to run ourselves.
Then the ball game will be different for you
Definitely.
because
Varunji
because
told.
my case was I never wanted to sit on the shop and do anything. So
Hmm.
your ball game will be different and your terms and conditions will be different. Only
Hmm.
thing I can say my experience with Varun and SS IPL.
Yeah.
The
Is
last
good.
2 years and now 3 years is good. I can say that.
Yeah.
Because
Sir.
it is never the case that I am chasing them and the only thing 10th morning I sent a SMS to one of the accountants, please
Yeah.
release the money today. So
Mm-hmm.
most probably in the evening the message comes, the money has been credited.
Okay.
So if 1 or 2 days delay is there here and there, that is part of game.
Sir, in Gurgaon, property is yours or you take it on a rent?
Nothing is mine. Nothing is mine.
Nothing is mine. Only investment you made it.
That time I think they worked out around 72 lakh or something for the complete franchise. Out of that, around 35-50% was towards the capex.
Okay.
So which
Okay.
they are returning me every month by dividing by 60.
Okay.
And every year, at the end of year, my profit goes down because my investment has also gone down.
Right.
So it is a basic things are there.
You joined the company as an investor.
Yes, yes. Yes.
No problem, Varunji. Very, very thankful to you. And it's a nice meeting with Mehra sir. And we think over it and confirm you. But I think it's a nice meeting and we will look forward by doing whatever your advance payment you need. Raghav will make it and we will look forward for your
Look forward. Thank you, sir.
Sure. Right.
Okay, nice talking to you. Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Mehta sir, we have 2 questions for you. Raghav sir, you can exit that. No problem. Ma'am, you have noted down for 2 questions with the Mehta sir. So Raghav sir, you can exit the meeting. So you can ask there your 2 questions quickly because sir also need to do some other work. Mehta sir, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Hello.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have a question that Varun sir as a consultant, आपकी क्या-क्या सर ने हेल्प करी आपकी डील कंप्लीशन में, आपका LOI साइन कराने में और आपका वर्क पूरा कंप्लीट कराने में?
He did the complete homework and whatever I was looking forward, he got it done. I can only say that because earlier they were not very keen to give me minimum guarantee, which I decided I will not invest till the time I get the minimum guarantee. So he facilitated all the things and the things came as per my terms and condition. I signed it.
ओके तो सर आप वरुण सर के साथ काम करके सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
Satisfied, and that's why I'm having this meeting also.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much for your precious time. Looking forward for a long-term association, sir.